Good morning. Ira Epstein with your Morning Flash Update. And this update is for the morning of Thursday. We're at the 5th of February now, 2026. Let's go right to the news of the day. Challenger Gray, they came out with their January planned corporate job cuts. It's the largest January amount of cuts since 2009. That's a big number, 108,435. Then to make matters a little bit worse, jobless claims came in up 22,000. They expected it up 3,000, and you went up 25,000 on the continuing claims. We're going to get the JOLTS number at 9 o'clock. Natural gas storage comes out at 9:30. And today, both the European Central Bank and the Bank of England held their interest rates steady. Ms. Lagarde has been on TV now finishing up a news conference, but both are looking at the data, where they're at. And of course, geopolitics are part of the reason that they're holding steady, because nobody's quite certain what is going on. With that said, we do have the conference tomorrow going on between Iran and the U.S. in Oman. Now, where it goes, how it ends up, well, that's going to be very important to a lot of the markets, energy markets, the metal markets, and so on. Speaking of that, let's go back to the charts. And as you can see, gold is down $86, but silver, a whopping, and I mean, it's getting beaten, down $10. So this market is just fallen. And for the day from high to low, it's down already $16. I mean, that's a big move by any stretch. I don't think copper's going to join that parade of that getting beat up. I think it's now found a home temporarily, but platinum hasn't, and that's down 168. Stock market continuing to decline a bit. As you know, there's been a rout in the tech stocks, and that's continuing, especially the software end. Speaking of routes, what's going on in Bitcoin? We now went under 70,000. So as I told you a while back, last week, I said next move down was 85, then 80, then 75. It's moving in $5,000 increments. Now it's hit the 70 level. We'll see if this can find any support in it. There's nothing bullish about this. What's happening is people are realizing they're getting creamed in this, and in order to hold on, they may have to sell other assets, and that is always painful. If there is a deal between the U.S. and Iran, I would expect that Iran would demand on the nuclear part of that deal that sanctions on its oil come off, and I think that's why you're dropping here. Natural gas is up a little bit. I just think the market has peaked out, and it's, if you will, consolidating for another move, possibly to the downside. Bonds and notes, the fear that you're seeing here, the washout in the metals, everything coming down, people are moving back into U.S. bonds and notes. Grains are very, very stable today, really not doing much of anything, and I think that that's it. Yesterday, we did see that the president had asked President Xi to up the amount of beans he buys this year from 12 million metric tons of U.S. beans to 20. That gave beans a bid. We'll see if China lives up to that. So with that, I'm Ira Epstein. Remember, you can get more information by just going up here, moving your cursor. It'll take you to our website. You can move over here if you're watching us on YouTube, or go to iraepstein.com. I'm Ira. I'll catch up with you all at the end of the day. Have a great trading day.